right, Beavers, here it is, the long-awaited how-to video that so many of you have been clamoring for. This is going to be the step-by-step easiest way that I can guarantee you can fill out this survey successfully, and that is even those of you who are telling me you don't have Adobe Acrobat Reader on your school laptops. This will work for everybody. You need to make sure that we are first in Google Chrome. We have logged in through Office 365 and opened the browser version of our Outlook, which is, I know how many of you are accessing Outlook. That's fine. Different video for that later. I've opened the email that I sent many of you a while ago, which includes a blank attachment to the survey. The first thing that you're going to do is single click on that survey. One of the areas that people have been struggling with is you start filling it out here. This is just a preview window, and if you fill it out here and then go to download it later, it will be blank. So the first thing that you should do is hit print. I know this seems counterintuitive. And we're going to cancel out of that print, but we're going to stay inside this browser window and fill out the entire survey. I'm going to put in just a couple of fields here so I can prove to you that it works and that I'm not a crazy person. Tick my boxes here. I'm going to come down here and do a little blah-de-blah. Hey, I can tab between fields. Yes, I am here. And of course, you are going to be writing in clear and robust sentences, giving me details of your life. I asked you these questions because I want to know the answer. Okay, I think I have demonstrated enough here that I can fill out this form inside the browser, and then from here I am going to print this document, and I'm not going to send it to a printer. My destination is going to be save as PDF. I'm going to save this as PDF. The moment that I hit save, it's going to bring up a dialog box that asks me where I want to choose the pathway, this PC to my desktop, and I am going to call this my last name, Maureen Intro Survey. Boom goes the dynamite. I'm going to just put a number on here because I've done this so many times. I've got a lot of them saved on my desktop. You don't need a number. I hit save. That saves my changes and freezes that document as a PDF so it can no longer be changed. I'm now going to go back to as a student, you'd go to Schoology. I'm going to go from the staff side, go into Schoology. I'm going to go into a course where I'm actually a student so I can show you what it looks like on your end. Click on Miss Banholzer's. She made me a student here. I'm going to go find the beginning of the year folder. I'm going to go into the Schoology School Intro Survey, and I am going to submit the survey, upload. I'm uploading an assignment. I click on this little bundle of files. It's going to bring up the same kind of dialog box to search for a survey. I'm on this PC desktop, that's my pathway. I can resort by date modified. With the arrow down, it will show me the most recent worked on file. Sure enough, 747, it's 748 right now. I will hit open. It will take a second to upload that file. It's thinking about it. And then I'll say submit. And now I'm going to go into that file and double check that I can see my answers and that Miss Banholzer can see my answers. So there is the survey filled out with everything that I filled out, the fields where I added text. This is of course not a completed survey, but I want to model to you that where many of you are struggling is in the free response questions. Some part of the way that you're saving it, it is being lost. So that is the quick and easy steps. I need those of you who have not done this assignment yet to do that. Earn these 10 easy points. I'm giving you an extension through Sunday, September 20. Please. This was 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Please follow these steps and do this assignment. That's Mr. Maureen signing off with another tech tip. Woo!